Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we're taking a look inside the Essentials edition of Keijo, the complete series on Blu-ray. So here is the cover, the spine, the back, which will zoom in. There you go. And there. And then you open it up and you get Disc 1 with episodes 1 through 9, and Disc 2 with episodes 10 through 12 plus extras. And then you take this out and you get that artwork. And then you take this out and you get that artwork. So this has been Keijo, the complete series on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.